So now we go to the dashboard. Okay, you don't need to do anything. You just need to watch what I'm doing. Okay, usually when you go in the dashboard, it shows like, oh, today have some classes, right? Correct. So there you know, okay, your class is here, P3, P4 today. It shows here, primary lower block, P3 and P4 can attend today's class at 14 August at 12 o'clock. Okay, these are the details of the lesson. Let me see if I can write on it, then you can see. You can still see, right? Okay, so.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, that's good. So, and then you see highlights of this lesson. Complete mock exam paper in topic map. Oh, this is supposed to be the homework. Okay, answers will be discussed. So this is it. So we close it. Okay, then we go to this one will show me all my levels. So I'll show you primary 3 science. Whether you're in primary 3 or in primary 4, you'll see this page, right? Correct?
Teacher, you never X yet.
X what?
You haven't X yet. The thing.
Close the window.
Yes.
Oh, is it? Mine closed already. How about now?
Oh yeah, now it's here.
Okay, good. Let's try that again. Now it's better. Okay. You can see primary 3 science, yes or no, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, where do I click? Where do I click to find the mock paper?
Topic map.
Topic.
Topic map, very good. Okay, I go to topic map. By now you should be familiar. Huh? Click topic map. What will happen is you'll go to this page where you can find all the topics that you have done in school. What happens if you
haven't
click?
clicked yet.
No, I think it's a bit slow in showing it to you. For my side, I already clicked. Is it going through to you or not?
No.
Oh, my screen sharing.
Even click and
Wait. Stop share. Try again. Because it kind of paused my sharing. How about now?
Okay, now it's good.
Okay, very good. So I click on topic map and then you see this, right? All of you know what will happen if I click on each topic here, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes. No, you don't know. Never tried this before.
I tried this once.
Okay, let's go back. Maybe many of you actually click on lesson plan. Blue color one that's called plan. Right here. You see my hand on the lesson plan, blue color? Yeah, if you click on that, what do you see? You see all these lessons, am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Whereas if you go back, yeah. Now if you go to primary 4, yes.
Is the mock the same as the lesson?
No, it's not. So I'm just showing you that it's not. Okay, just pay attention. Okay, you have how many topics here? Count for me. How many?
11.
Some say 11, some say 10.
10.
10.
Okay, good. 10 topics.
10.
Okay, what do you see on the adaptive?
Lessons. All lessons.
Human life.
Above, on the right where my finger is. Can you see my white color glove finger?
Yeah.
Okay, adaptive and mock papers. Yeah. You got to click that. So what do you think will happen when I click that? Okay, for me, I will see all my papers of all levels, but for you, you will see only your paper for your level. So if you are in primary 3, see number 4. Can you see number 4? What's written on number 4? What's written?
P3 Science Final Year Mock Paper 2021.
Yeah. So that is the paper that you need to do. So you press start on the right hand side. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So I press start. What do you think will happen? You'll go into the questions like this. So the questions, there will be 30 MCQ questions. So you're going to answer them on the computer itself. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. And then what's this blue color thing on the left? The blue board that has all the numbers. Is that a game?
No. The number of questions.
Yeah, it will show you which number you are doing wrong, which question you have answered, and which question you have not answered. Okay, so let's continue to see how it works. Wow, nice picture here. Now, if you do the paper by printing, and you do your paper in the school, you won't have such colorful diagrams, right? So that's why when you work on our website, it's much nicer to do because you have colorful pictures over here. Okay.
Yes. Very
Jim had to
cool.
classify 4 animals shown in the diagram below. Which of the following characteristics can he use to classify the animal into 3 groups? Okay, let's just make the screen a little bit zoomed out so you can see the whole question. Okay, so this one, I'm going to leave it like this. Okay.
Very small only.
Yeah, it's getting smaller, but I just want to show you that this is how it will look like as a full question. Of course, I can zoom back up in. Okay, so let's look at this. Which of the following characteristics can he use to classify the animal into 3 groups? You need a group. Okay, how many of you have done this question? Just say me.
Oh.
Or went to the mock paper and went to try it. That means you managed to do it on this page in the website. You managed to do? No, right? So a lot of you are busy, you didn't even get to do. So that's why I took some time to find out if you have done and then help you to go to this page. So we have a camel, a snake, a lion, and an eagle. And they've given 3 categories called ability to fly, outer covering, and number of legs. Can you categorize them such that you only get 3 groups? That means you must put them in 3 different bags. How to do that? How many of you can tell me the answer for this? Like, is it just one category, the ability to fly? If you put ability to fly, you can only put the eagle in, right? So that's one group. If you put outer covering, then how many outer coverings are there separately? Snake is scales. Eagle is what? For birds is what?
Feathers.
Feathers. Very good. So we got a scales, feathers, lion.
A mammal.
Hair.
Mammal. So what's the outer covering on their body?
Hair.
Hair. What about camel? Not fur.
Hair.
Hair. And camel? Hair also. Yeah. Okay. So you got hair, snake, scales and feathers. So that's 3 bags, right? You can put them in 3 bags. Am I right? So outer covering is a good answer, right? What about number of legs? Number of legs, can you put into 3 bags?
Yes.
You have 1 is 2 legs. 1 is 4 legs. 1 is no legs. Am I right?
Yes.
Can't find what?
Legs.
Just listen to me.
Me too. I can't find.
You can't find in your computer, is it?
Yeah.
Don't need to. You just see my screen is enough. We work together. Later after the class, then you go and do it on your own. Is that fine?
Can.
Now you don't need to do there. You just do here for me on the screen. So let's click answer is B and C only. And then go next.
Yes.
Do you think we will know the answer? Go next. Okay, click next. Okay. Okay, see on the left hand side. Yeah, then only you'll see the answer, right? Okay, let me see if I can get everyone to see the answers later. Okay, so later I'll share the answer screen. But right now, for when I'm in question 2, I can see that I've done question 1. Where to see?
Question 1 is in green.
Green color.
Yeah, in green means I've answered. If it's yellow color means
Not yet.
yeah, I'm doing it.
Answering.
Answering. Very good. You're doing it now. Then sometimes I can skip this question. Let's say I skip question 2 now. I go to question 3. What color will come?
2 will be red.
Yes, very good. A very big applause for all of you. So you all know the color coding now. So what can I do? Later when I finish the paper, I know that, number 2, I haven't done it yet. I can come back to it and finish it. Okay. So this is gives you a chance to skip question and come back. And this is the skill that you need even in the school. You need to be able to skip and come back. Okay. So let's do number 3. Let's really do number 3 and then go back to number 2 later. Study the So shall we do? What is the body covering Y? Very nice. We just did body covering just now, right?
Hair.
We know hair, we know scales, we know fur, we know feathers.
Mammal.
Mammal?
Dolphin is hair. Hair.
Yeah, but a lot of people think dolphin is a fish and they say scales. Is it correct?
No.
It's a mammal.
Dolphin is a mammal. Therefore, dolphin will follow the characteristics of a mammal, and all mammals have hair, which is like us. Yeah, human being also have hair. So okay, very good.
But when
Identify.
I look at the dolphin, I never see any hair.
You can't look. You need to look very closely. Then they have hair.
Yes.
I
very
think
good.
sea mammals. Very, very small on the hair.
Let me tell you something.
Any
Do you-
hair.
Yes, it's a very good observation. Do you know that we all have hair on our face also, right?
Yes, yes.
Very closely.
Yes, it's actually
Very small.
is also
Very
hard to
small
see.
only. Teacher, very
Yeah.
small.
You have also, Dr. Ali.
Some parts, no, you also have. Look above your eyes.
I see. I also know.
Eyebrow is a hair.
Eyebrow is
Over
also
here.
hair.
This is hair. The eyebrow is a hair.
Eyebrow is a hair. Yes.
Even your skin also have hair if you see.
Eyelashes also hair.
Yeah. Do we have fur or scales or something?
No,
Everywhere is hair.
Dr. Ali, we're not cats.
We're not cats. Yeah.
We are not animal, but we are from the animal kingdom.
Woohoo!
Yeah, we are
Yes.
from cats and dogs.
So we love animals.
We don't have 4 legs. And we are not like a horse.
So
We
some,
have 4 legs.
you know what's the beautiful part? Some mammals have 2 legs, some mammals have 4 legs, some mammals have no legs. Which mammal have no legs?
Fish.
Which one?
Dolphin.
Which fish? Yeah, you cannot say fish because fish is totally not a mammal.
Whale.
It means fish, mammals means yeah. Well, the name of animal that is mammal is whale and dolphin, which is here we are seeing as category Y. So identify the group of animals the parrot belongs to.
Bird.
The parrot is a bird.
Bird.
Because it has feathers.
It's a bird. Parrots.
Yes, it's a bird. Very good. Now study the table below. Now we look at a little bit of plants as well. Earlier we talked about animals. We know their body covering. We know legs. We know body covering. We know what else we know. How they give birth to their young also determines whether they lay egg or they give birth to their young alive, right? Now plants do not lay eggs. Plants do not give birth to their live young. How do they reproduce?
Seeds.
Plants. Seeds. Yes, from the seeds they grow. Where do the seeds come from?
And the weeds.
The fruit. The
The
fruit.
Where does the fruit come from?
Flowers.
Flower.
Where does the flower come from?
Plant.
Plants. And plants
Come from the seed. Yeah. There you got the full life cycle, right?
Seeds come from nowhere.
It comes from the fruit.
And
The fruit we eat has seeds.
Okay, so we got some plants P, Q, R, and S, which have a weak stem. Some have weak stem, some have oval leaves, and some have round leaves. So which plant has a weak stem? Which plant has a strong stem? If it's not weak, it must be strong. So I ask you one question. Which plant has a strong stem?
Q and S.
Q and S, very good. Which plant has round leaves?
P and S.
Q and S.
Yeah, very good. So from the information you already know, can you write suitable headings in the blank boxes here? So you can take out a pen and a paper now, and you quickly just jot down the answers for me. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put down question 3.
paper.
Question 3, part 1.
Paper.
Paper and pen and write down. Okay. Okay. Okay, I gave you
Teacher,
the.
later we must show you the answer.
Sure, I will show you the answer. Of course, we will discuss together. Okay.
Teacher,
Don't-
later we must show you the answer.
Yeah, you have to. You have to show me on the screen.
What?
You can type for me in the chat also. Those who don't have paper and pen, you open up your chat box on Zoom just type it over there.